Hello guys, it's your boy one and only Grizzly. I'm coming back with a vlog since this is about the only way I can talk to y'all. If you guys have noticed that I haven't been doing commentaries, but I have been posting a lot of gameplays, Call of Duty Black Ops, Modern Warfare 3, the Syndicate demo. The reason why I can't do commentaries, I tried to do a commentary the other night, I just don't have a very good voice recorder to record my voice, so if I try to do a commentary, it cuts in and out. There's like no bass behind it. It's very distorted. You can't hear shit, so that's why I haven't been doing a commentary lately. I'm gonna try to figure that out, try to get that shit all fixed and whatnot. As you see, I'm probably sitting here at work. Shit, it's pretty fucking bright. Sitting here at work waiting to go in. Figure I'd do this little vlog to let you guys know what the fuck is going on. Because, you know, I miss doing commentary, but I do like the fact that I have a PVR now. I picked up, I believe, 2 or 3 new subscribers. I want to thank you all for coming, joining me in my long haul road to subscriber number 100. Hopefully that gets there kind of quick, but if it doesn't, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not in here for the money. I can't even get the Google Ads shit no more. Someone fucked that up for me. That was stated in a previous video. It's whatever. I don't fucking care. I don't need to make money. That's why I work a regular job. So I just wanted to do this vlog, let you guys know what's up. I'm gonna try to get some what the fuck is it? Software to do a commentary on. Hopefully I can figure something out. Since I got Windows 7, I can't use Audacity with the other software that I use. For some reason, it doesn't let the software go in, the recording go into the software that I do my editing with. So it's just whatever. I'll figure it out, guys. I know I got a mic to work. I've used this mic multiple times. I know the laptop that I use to record and render on is good. It has a mic on it, but the mic, it doesn't really work that well. I don't know. We'll figure it out, guys. I know we will. I just thought I'd let you guys know what the fuck's going on. Stick by me. If you guys would like to see gameplays with actual music over them, let me know. I'm pretty sure I can, you know, pull something out my yin yang and figure that out and get that working. But for right now, that's all I guess I got. I got a Black Ops video that should be posted later tonight. I got a lot of zombie videos. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm pretty sure I can cut and render and do kind of shit like that. Do kind of like a little funtage or whatnot. But just let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, man. Peace.